So, hi guys, welcome back to another section of Benima Zoom live class, which is 10 minutes Zoom live class. Today, we just really want to talk about how to create background in Photoshop. So, you may have your picture trimmed, and either you have no background at all after you have trimmed your picture. And if you look at this layer panel over here, you can see that we only have the trim picture layer. So in order to add a new background, then you have to go to the first, second, third, and fourth button, which is create a new fill or adjustment layer. So by clicking that, you can create a solid color, which is going to be on top of your layer. Let me choose black, then, or let's do it this way. Let me repeat that. Choose a solid color, and you can just pick any of this color around here. You can just pick any of this color, but I want to choose this black. Here we have the lighter color, then here we have the family of this slider, then the darker part, and the this angle is the dark, which is the black. We have white, black, the actual family color, and the darker part of the color. Then you click here to confirm your placement. Now let me move this layer panel to this side. Now we have two layers on the layer panel. If you look at it very well, you can see that the solid color is on the top of this trimmed picture. So by clicking on this layer and drag it down, you will see a skeletal line that's going to show the placement of your new layer. Just drag it there. Then you'll see that we have a background behind this guy. And the other way to create another background is to, click on this add new uh, fill layer, new field or adjustment layer. Just click on it. Then you choose gradient. Now, gradient allows you to have two different colors at once. I won't choose foreground to transparent. I'm going to choose foreground to background. Then I can choose either a of the two or choose the color from this image by moving your mouse out of the color picker. Then you click on your subject. Then the other one, which is white, I can also change the color to another color, something like this. Change the family, then we have something like this. Then when you're okay with that, you click okay. Don't forget that first one is solid color and the second one is the gradient. Now here we also have um let's go to the fourth button below, which is create new fill and create pattern. Now here we have different pattern under this, and I have defined different pattern as well, like African color or something like that, from the textile. Then I have different background over here, and this background as well can be rescale, which is the pattern can be rescale, or you increase this you increase the size or you reduce the size. Then also you can change the direction of the angle, and it's not going to, let's wait for it. Yeah, it has changed. Now let me choose this. Let me choose that, and it's going to load. I think I have a little file opened. Now click OK. Now here as you can see, we have the pattern. Then we have the gradients, which have two or more colors. Then we have the solid color. And let me quickly talk about reducing the opacity. Now for this pattern, I can reduce the opacity, which is going to show the background layer uh, of the layer which is under that particular um, layer. I mean, this particular layer, which is pattern, we have gradient fill under. If I want this one to reflect in this particular pattern layer, you can see what we have over there. So you can adjust your layer. You can reduce the opacity so that you have the feel of the under layer in your new layer. So that's for that for today. And if you have any question, don't forget to DM me on Instagram or on IG, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, sorry, and on Facebook at Benima Creative. So stay blessed, stay creative, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to uh, get a notification. And also, you can just click on the bell so that you can get notification as well. So thank you for joining my class. Stay blessed and stay creative.